moment even I walked in, I felt like I already belonged here in a weird way, but in a happy way. So just from just the overall vibes and everything, I knew I really wanted to be here in whatever capacity that met. Pretty much the only thing I knew coming out of PT school and what I was looking for a job is that I wanted mentoring, but I had no context to it. It was just the word. I just wanted mentoring. And even right away, recognizing that the coming in and learning the content is there, but really learning what to do with it and why it matters to the person in front of you every time a new person comes in is that's the slam dunk moment. Hey, we get to learn all this information and how to use it and what to do with it. And then we get to reciprocate almost that knowledge to everyone that's around us was so electric. So then I feel every mentoring session just kind of leveled up on itself with that information. Here's how to use it, here's how you treat a human, but taking the human part with that too, and recognizing how much leverage we have with all this knowledge in our bucket from a physical, mental, emotional, social aspect with it as well. It's crazy. It allowed to go to just deeper levels of learning, but also deeper levels of self-reflection. Just different levels within yourself and how to reflect on that and how to use whatever you're feeling in a constructive light. That just makes the information that's coming in so much more useful because you can internalize it a lot better. I can confidently say that would never happen if it was just hey, sit down, here's a bunch of information, go use it. I could say I definitely had mentoring sessions that there was no content information there because it wasn't the time and the place to give that content information. And without my mentor recognizing that, I would have just sat there and taken information in, but it would have gone out the other ear. Giving someone just didactic information in that time, whatever they're going through, isn't valuable to them either. It's almost hurting more than it's helping. The value and the purpose within university is recognizing also the amount of impact and influence we get to have on not only our patients, but our students, our other coworkers of all levels. And part of it too is recognizing that, helping recognize our why, within PT and why we're doing what we're doing, and that there's a really big difference between professional goals and our purpose. Hey, I want to achieve this next thing, and I want to be better for the people around me and for myself, and just to constantly strive for learning, which university is exactly that, of fostering that, of saying, I don't know, but what am I going to do about it? Recognizing that we have the privilege and the responsibility, I guess, within that to learn so much more about it. Yes, we want to get a human out of pain, but that's the first step. That's the starting point. And whatever comes after that, that's what university helps foster. I think in school, this isn't a bad thing too, but I definitely just took it as, hey, I'm gonna get all this information and I'm gonna make someone's back stop hurting, and that's gonna be great. That is great, and then what? Whole university process within it of, yes, we're learning that information, but then we're also having these mentee-mentor relationships. That's what helps transcend into your patient-PT relationships, to then be able to build that trust and that confidence with a complete stranger coming in the door.